Hey everyone, welcome back to another cybersecurity briefing. Today I'm diving into the latest threat, the SessionShark phishing toolkit. This one's a game changer in the world of cybercrime, and here's why you need to know about it. So what exactly is SessionShark? It's a phishing-as-a-service toolkit designed to bypass Microsoft Office 365's multi-factor authentication, MFA. Advertised on cybercrime forums as an educational tool, it's causing major headaches for IT professionals. Here's how it works. SessionShark doesn't just steal passwords. It captures the session token generated after a user completes MFA. Imagine this. You're lured to a fake Office 365 login page, which looks just like the real thing. You enter your credentials, complete MFA, and boom, SessionShark grabs the session cookie and sends it to the attacker via Telegram bots, allowing them to access your account without needing that one-time code. Now let's talk key features. First, SessionShark uses CAPTCHAs and behavioral checks to block security scanners and integrates with Cloudflare to mask its infrastructure. Plus, it uses dynamic content and obfuscated scripts to evade detection tools. Second, the real-time attack capabilities are insane. Attackers get instant notifications of stolen credentials and session cookies, thanks to Telegram alerts. They even have a dashboard to monitor compromised accounts. And finally, it's offered as a subscription service, making it accessible to even less skilled criminals. Yeah, they have customer support for this. Why is this a big deal? SessionShark proves that MFA isn't foolproof. This toolkit makes sophisticated phishing attacks easier to deploy, leading to wider adoption by cybercriminals. Plus, the real-time exfiltration means attackers can exploit stolen tokens before defenders can react. So, what can you do about it? First, implement AI-driven phishing detection tools that analyze behavior, not just URLs. Second, train your users to spot phishing attempts, especially fake login pages. Third, monitor session tokens for unusual activity, like logins from new locations. And finally, enforce a zero-trust architecture with strict access controls and continuous authentication. SessionShark is a wake-up call. MFA is still important, but we need a layered defense strategy to stay ahead of these evolving threats. Stay vigilant, everyone. Until next time, stay safe out there.